So I'll get in a little bit to talking about typographic terms and what they mean, but I'm not going to spend a lot of time or really split hairs. Let's just start out by talking about typography. Typically, typography, you're talking about a whole alphabet, A to Z, uppercase, lowercase, and something that you can type out on your keyboard and just make a word. Basically, that's also what a typeface is. A font is a subset of a typeface. So a typeface might be Baskerville, and a font of Baskerville would be Baskerville Light or Baskerville Italic. And lettering is more custom type. It's things like I showed you on those t-shirts. It can be hand-drawn, it can be vector drawn. Another good example might be this book cover. With the type that's got the arch to it. So that's more like lettering. Logotypes, again, are word marks or company logos that are just the word. And to give you a really good example of that would be the Coca-Cola logo. So the Coca-Cola logo is the word Coca-Cola and that type Coca-Cola. There's no separate icon or anything like that that represents Coca-Cola other than just the word. Another good example would be Google. Just to differentiate, we're not really going to do this in this class, but I'm talking about logo marks, and a good example of that would be the Nike swoosh. And sometimes you combo up a logo type with a logo mark and you'd have something like this Nike. So in that case, the logo type can stand on its own, the logo mark can stand on its own, or they can be one thing together.